Welcome to Malang Live Studio. This is the Harbin Malang Technical Development Limited Corporation, and here is our company logo. Now let's have a look at our Malang brand vertical shaft repair kit. Here is the vertical shaft. On the surface, we could see here is our company logo Malang, and also we can mark your company logo on it if you need. Yes. Here from the surface, we could see it is very good for the treatment. Yes, very high quality. And also with very good price. And here is the needle bearing. Yes, we could make it into many different sizes according to your requirement. And here is the bushing. Yes, also very good quality. Our customers cooperate with us for a long time after they try the first order. So if you need the product, you could try it. Yeah. And here is our company bearing. Yes, Malang brand bearing. Here is our brand name Malang, and here is our logo on it. Our logo. Yes. And besides this, we can also mark your company information on it if you need. Yes, we could customize the whole set of the vertical shaft repair kit and mark the company logo on it. So, and also we can offer you a very good price. So if you need our Malang brand vertical shaft repair kit, you could contact with our professional sales, and we will offer you a very good offer. Our customers that make orders for the first time, they will make orders frequently with us. Okay.